it's Kelly and I'm back with another video, and I am back with another Disneyland Paris video. So I'm starting out with that yellow striped paper, which is from Echo Park Magical Adventure from the 12 by 12 pad there. And I'm going to take that polka dot bag there, which is from Mrs. Sparkle & Co. Glassine bags, and that's Joann's. And I'm kind of doing sort of a little stepped photo thing there, which I'm not loving seeing like that bottom portion of the bag. So I looked at that sticker, which is sitting off to the right of my mat right now. And that came from the Doodlebug Fun at the Park This and That collection. So lots of these things are still available. If you can't find them at, your local scrapbook store or an online scrapbook store, I have found quite a bit on Amazon as well too. Not that I want to patronize the scrapbook companies first, but if I'm looking for things that they don't have in those other sources, then I will sometimes do the whole Amazon route. This is a project that's I'm going to need a lot of supplies for, because I'm scrapbooking my trip. I'm scrapbooking the trip that I took with my grandkids in November of 22. I'm scrapbooking a little bit about a trip that my daughter-in-law and oldest grandson took in January of 2023. And then last year in April of 2023, we went with 2 and 3 over Easter weekend. So there's a lot of Disney scrapbooking that needs to happen in my life over the next couple of years. Anyway, so now I'm playing with my little ATG to get that rocking and rolling here. And you can tell that it came from that paper pad because there's that white strip at the top. I also have that ticket paper, which is from the same paper pad, from the same Magical Adventure paper pad. And this is one of those layouts where that background paper is crazy busy. But sometimes I like to use that, I'll use it as like the bottom third or the bottom 2/3 or the top 1/3 of a layout, because it neutralizes it a bit. Or I love this particular thing that I'm going to do here, which is I'm going to use it basically as the border of the layout. And I think when a paper is that busy and you use something that is not, aka the striped paper there, it really draws your eye into the layout. Now I did notice though that I felt like I still needed another separation between the two patterns. So I just went and grabbed some black cardstock from Recollections, which is Michael's brand. And I'm going to put a very thin border around the edge of that yellow paper there. And I don't remember, I'm guessing that the yellow paper is about 10 inches square, if I remember correctly. I don't remember right off the top of my head, but just looking how much of a border, I have a big border around the whole thing. So I'm really loving what that black did. It makes a huge difference in this layout. So now you can see that really pops that mat, that yellow and white striped mat with all of the photos on it. So these are the photos outside of the entrance to Disneyland Paris, like the whole park. And then the two parks are inside of this. All right, so I'm adding a couple of stickers here that say the gang's all here and friends. Those are, and then all together here. So this is me, my daughter-in-law on the left, and my best friend in between the two of us. And so I really liked that the gang's all here. Somebody obviously took that photo for us, which was awesome that she did that for us. And then we took some photos for them. That all the stickers that I'm using there on the bottom are also from that Doodlebug Fun at the Park This and That collection. And now I'm kind of looking at that sticker sheet. It's a 12 by 12 sticker sheet to figure out what else I can do. I wanted something else up there at that corner there where those two pieces met. I do that sometimes where I like to do that. And then I do want to tell you that one of the things I forgot to do on camera was to make a tag for my journaling to put in that pocket. So what I ended up doing is I did squirt a little glue into the pocket so that the tag wouldn't fall all the way to the bottom of that bag, because otherwise it would have disappeared. I didn't have anything big enough. And then I used a tag from LE Studio, the Ledger die cut tags from 2021, and just some miscellaneous black and white twine I had. You'll see that in the shots at the end of the video. Now, I'm adding some stars to, I added them right down by the phrase or word stickers, and then also at both corners there of the Dreams Come True sticker. And then those are also from the Fun at the Park, this and that. And really, this is titled When Dreams Come True because this has been a dream of mine, not just to go to Paris, but once we did Disneyland, I really wanted to do Disneyland Paris because I've wanted to go to Paris for quite a while, so I sort of added that into the trip, and it's amazing that it happened. It was so magical. Lastly, I'm adding some enamel dots there from Doodlebug Sprinkles, the festive assortment. And there you go. Here's the still shot with that tag in it and the detail shots. Hope you guys are all well, and I'll be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.